Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome
the returning officer. The declaration by the returning officer was wrongly made. We filed this petition to show that, and clearly we have demonstrated it by bringing in invalid ballot papers, 165,000 of the ballot papers, and the court went through these ballot papers one after the other and confirmed that these ballot papers were not signed, stamped, and dated. And the law says it shall be signed, stamped, and dated. So all these three must be there. Not two, not one. All the three must be there. And the court, of course, accordingly deducted these invalid votes from the votes of NNPP. After doing that, Yusuf Gawuna was declared the winner of the election.